everybody, Dr. Singer here. Today I'm going to show you how to do a calf muscle rollout using a foam roller. You want to use something with a medium thickness or medium firmness, and you're going to use these to roll out the calves. You could do one calf at a time, or you could do both calves at the time. And let me show you how to do it. Again, you want to do this actually twice a day, and until you kind of feel like you got a good release of those muscles. We're working on adhesions that are in those calf muscles and working them out, getting into the fascia, getting into the muscles to be able to kind of release any kind of tight muscles there. So let me show you. Real simple. Place your foam roller on the ground. You're going to want to place, I like to start high with this one. Place your arms behind you to give you some support, and you're going to be able to kind of lift up a little bit with your arms. So you lift up a little bit, and you're just going to roll back and forth. So you can always reposition it with your hands. So it's kind of going back and forth, and you can do one at a time. Right now I'm doing both at a time. And if you want to switch to one leg, you could bring it up here. This allows you to get a little bit further over it and kind of put a little bit more pressure into the leg as you can actually push down with your leg onto it to provide a little bit more tension onto those muscles. If you find an area that's a little bit more tight, like I'm finding one right there, you just literally hold that and breathe. Okay, so you want all the while you're doing this exercise, you do want to breathe and make sure you're not holding your breath while you're finding an area, and that will help to release the muscles there. Okay, so right now I'm switching to one side. I bent my knee up here to be able to apply more pressure down, and then you can just switch to the other side and do this exact same thing. So nice and easy, back and forth a couple times a day. This would be fantastic for you, and enjoy.